I have found a secret cheat code for prediction markets. Everybody thinks they can cloud code or open claw their way into prediction markets and make insane amounts of money. But in reality, this is just a pipe dream that everybody's jumping on right now. What most people are ignoring is to have the right infrastructure to be even able to get to similar results that you can find on Twitter or on any other platform like Instagram or TikTok. Without the right infrastructure, it is normally impossible to get similar results like the wallets that you have most likely seen on any social media platform. These people want to make you believe that it is easy to go within a month from 0 to 6 figures. But they want you to make you believe that it's easy to go from 0 to 6 figures by only vibe coding your way into the prediction markets. But they totally ignore the upfront cost and the infrastructure and the sophistication that these players bring with them before they're actually entering any prediction. I have found a tool that will not only allow you to compete with these big wallets in the space, no, but even to copy them with the same precision and speed they're executing their trades, and they will never know what you actually did. Hi guys, welcome back. Let me introduce you today to an amazing tool that I'm using, but upfront you will need Telegram for that. It is a Telegram bot that you need, and what this tool will allow you is basically to copy trade these wallets that you see having insane returns with like a 90 or 95% win rate. The only problem is you need to understand which wallets to copy to actually make money here, because it doesn't help you if the wallet has a pattern or a cluster that it's trading based on its algorithm that is so unpredictable in terms of position sizing that you will just lose money by copying it in the long run. Trust me, I have tried it. But let's talk about that specific tool that I'm using. I'm using Polygon. I was really skeptical in the beginning because I saw a lot of people promoting it on Twitter, and I was thinking maybe this is like a wallet drainer, maybe there is malicious links going around. When the team reached out, I was like, are they really part of the team? So I tested them, and then of course I tested this myself to make sure that everything is fine. So, and I can tell you, oh boy, since yesterday, I found a wallet that is actually printing, and I was already amazed, even with my failed attempts to copy trade here into a profit, with the execution and the overall handling of that app. I will go now behind the desk and show you in my own Telegram how you can manage this bot. So as you can see, we are here now in my own Polygon bot. And it's really easy how you can set this up. It's super user friendly. I'm gonna leave a link here in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment below, where you can not only join Polygon, but then also join my specific prediction market group where we're gonna trade together. And I'm gonna share there all the wallets that I'm currently copying. So here, let's see what I actually did. So after, let me walk you through the setup of the bot. The first thing that you need to do, after you click the link, you will get here to this window. The only thing that you need to do is click start, and here you need to join their community that you can click afterwards unlock the bot. So you go here on Polygon, you join the group, now you go back, launch the bot, unlock the bot. Now you're verified. Now you have your wallet and everything here set up. So if you want to deposit funds into your wallet, you just click on wallet, and then it will prompt you any wallet where you can deposit your funds into. And afterwards, if you want then immediately to start copying a wallet, you go here to copy trade, add copy trade, and then you just add any wallet that you want. So here you would then type in the wallet address, and then it will add this wallet to your copy trading. So now we need a wallet that we can add here so that I can show you further. And for this, I'm gonna try to get here again from Bone Reader the wallet address. Let me see here, copy address. So there. So here I have from this profile now the address. You see here on Polymarket, you just go to a profile that you would like to copy trade, go to copy address, click this, then go back to the bot, copy paste, enter the address. Now you can give this a nickname. I usually give them the same name that they have on Polymarket so that I know who that is. Again, enter. Then you need to decide how you want to trade them. I have now found out the best way to copy trade wallets is portfolio weighted. So that means if they decide to trade with 1% of their portfolio, you do the same. And this has now proven to be the best route forward. Before I was thinking it's like a fixed dollar amount and I gave it just $5, but in the long run I actually lost money that way, and then changed to portfolio weighted, and since then I'm actually printing, and I'm going to show you that here in a moment. So here I'm going to say portfolio weighted, and then by factor 1, and then you can decide like the minimum that you want to set here per trade, or the maximum that you want to spend here per trade, like here the limit. And here right now I would say like $10 because no, actually, let's go back. No limit. And then here also no filter. And slippage. I set slippage always to 2%. You can do more if you want. But 2% for now has been, for me, absolutely fine. So then you confirm this. And now I'm actually copy trading this wallet. Now, I want to go back. I go to manage copy trade. So here I see now the wallet. I have nothing spent. Notifications are disabled. You can enable that if you want. I don't, because I don't need it. And now I'm technically copying this specific wallet here. Now when I go to main menu, it will show me always my current positions, my available balance that's not in trades, my active orders, and the total net worth combined of everything. So, and that includes open positions, closed positions, and my available balance. If I have positions running, I can go to portfolio, and it will show me all my open positions or my closed positions, and here also in full. Now on this Telegram account, I have nothing, as you can see. That was just to show you how everything works. Let's go back to my account where I actually trade right now. So here you can see I'm sitting at $83.79. Not a lot, but I was trading. I was trading the last 2 days. And I'm going to show you this right now. So here, that was my starting balance. I had $1.51 in a position, started here with $71 just yesterday. So since yesterday, I basically made more or less 20% by copying one specific wallet. This wallet, for now, I'm going to keep it for myself, because if too many people copy the same wallet, it becomes a problem at some point. So I want to avoid this. But like I said, there is a link in the description to my prediction market Telegram group. And there I share a lot of other wallets, and actually also the wallets that I'm personally trading. And I have tested these wallets all by myself. So they are all profitable if you follow the instructions for the settings. Now, if I want to go now to portfolio, so here, just that you see, these were the trades that I copied. And then you see here how my portfolio was slowly growing. $74, $74, then here $83, here open positions over $20, available balance $63, and that led to $83.40, 85 cents here in my portfolio. And here another trade that was taken, and now I'm currently sitting at how much? $83.79, and I keep copying this wallet. So overnight I should have some more trades. So I'm gonna show you tomorrow an update on my phone how things have developed overnight, but I think I'm gonna hit tomorrow over $100 here. So then I would have made 30% in 2 days, basically risk-free, by copying an algorithm that absolutely knows what it's doing and is not really losing. It is just important to find the right wallets that you can copy, and once you have them, this bot will do everything. So I have tried everything myself with vibe coding to get close to what they have built. And then I understood, when I researched, what the upfront cost of the right infrastructure is to actually be able to execute trades like Polygon or like any of these big volume traded wallets I was then having a really bad awakening because the upfront cost is between $5,000 and $20,000 for servers, for setups, for a lot of things that you need to into consideration. And if you're not that immediately profitable, you will start bleeding money. So, and I did not want to do that, and therefore, yeah, when the Polygon team came to me, I was like, okay, I want to try this, and I have to say it's absolutely amazing. So you can also invite here other people through referrals. You can set limit orders if you want. You can scan also markets here. So if I click on markets, it will show me here now different markets, and then I can filter what kind of wallets I wanna trade that are trading in these markets. So that's also absolutely up to you. I can tell you already, and I can only recommend this to you. If you find a wallet in crypto that you can trade, don't do 5 or 15-minute markets. Do 30, 1 hour, daily, you know, these kind of markets. Don't do low frequency markets. You will only lose money there. I promise you, it's really hard to copy them. Also, you can ask in the community of Polygon on Telegram, the Polygon community on Telegram, they're gonna tell you the same thing. There is nobody that really made money on 5 to 15-minute markets. So you wanna make sure that you are looking for at least 30 and 1 hour markets if you wanna trade crypto. Me personally, I'm absolutely fine with trading outcomes that are happening throughout the day, every 3-4 hours to make my money and just compound what I'm actually making. But you have to decide for yourself. You know, if you find a wallet on the 5 or 15-minute markets that you actually think can perform by copy trading, go ahead, do that. I have vibe coded enough that I know the infrastructure for me personally on my end is not good enough. With Polygon, I have not seen somebody getting insane results by doing that. I'm not saying that there are not people that make money on these markets with Polygon. I'm just saying it all depends on that you find the right wallet that you can copy in these markets. So you will have to do a lot of research, or you come into my Telegram channel, and then we have there some wallets every now and then that are worth copying for a little while. But now enough from this. Let me get back to you tomorrow and give you an update how potentially here new trades that I get throughout the night going to perform. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna give you a quick update how my wallet was doing over the last 24 hours. And as you can see here, if I go all the way down to my wallet, it did not copy anything over the last 24 hours. It's still at $83.79, and that is actually a good thing because the wallet that I was copying was in the last 24 hours kind of losing a little bit, but almost to be break even. So this bot actually protected me from incurring any losses. And that's actually also already the end of the video. I'm gonna update you in my own Telegram channel for prediction markets, where I share all the wallets that I'm personally copying and that actually make me money. So go and check this out. And if you want the bot, the copy trading bot that I'm using, also there is a link in the pinned comment and in the description below. So go and check this out, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.